Oh, Jack. Oh, Jack.
Nice as the Niagara Ice Dome. RSD Construction. The puck drops for both games at 7:05.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hang on, I want to make sure it's not turned off.
Here, give me this thing. I'm gonna plug it in.
No, I wanted to make sure it was
No,
off
I'm gonna plug it in before that. Though.
Yeah, oh, it's good for your movie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, let's see if the dump truck will start. Would that be something? It's still totally raining. Is there any water in it?
Kind of funny watching it come out the inside.
Yeah, it's hilarious. It's just hilarious, dude. Holy! It is just springing out of there like 3 biscuits. Look at that. That's perfect. You know, I was thinking what I needed earlier today. I was just thinking I needed my dump truck to just piss relentless.
They just fill with water.
Yeah, the more full, the better. Yeah, that's great. Wow, it looks crazy in the Vitya. Look at it in the Vitya.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow, I wonder if it actually looks like that in the footage. It's like right at the exact spectrum of the polarity or something, you know what I mean? Holy, there's a lot of water in there though. That's not good. That's kind of not good, you know what I mean? Oh, you got your sack of goodies?
I got some of I got a sack.
Nice. Nice. Some kids are supposed to come here and get their something or other fixed or something. I don't even know. Good Lord. He actually came. How's it going?
What's up, pug?
You were burning rubber, you didn't even get it on a movie?
Get your camera.
Good Lord.
So, those are the new tires we're going to be putting on.
So there's 4.
Yeah.
You want more money?
Well, it sounded like you were talking about 1.
No. Oh.
Oh dear. Oh, I guess if the tire machine will take them off. You gonna burn these ones off?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go get the camera.
He has a
I got her. Oh, suffer. At least some of the smut's off her. How's she coming?
Oh, and I got up here, got across here.
She's like
Coming down
mint.
pretty good. Yeah, it's coming down. I did the side. I sanded that with the wire wheel.
Nice. I don't even think this truck can do burnout. Bad case of the Hemis, you know what I mean? Yeah. That sounded like a little hiccup at the end there. What was that? Can't just go over there. Oh, that's it. Do a swing about. Okay, quit pretending. This time really light her up. What's wrong with this thing? Is it broken?
No, I really got
You're only
burnout.
you're only giving her like 3/4 throttle?
Oh yeah! Here we go!
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, they're chooching. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Better get the police scanner out. Patty Whack's over there cheering him on. Oh, you got Patty Whack there cheering you on. How you doing? Tire machine's broken. Yeah, when I first started using, you know, I check all the things to make sure, because like sometimes the fucking things will stick, so I oiled the things and I fucking did the fucking this and that to it and shit. And when I was pushing the fucking pedal to turn the table without even a tire on it or fuck all, it's like dimming the lights and shit. So obviously there's like a major load on the fucking motor, bearings or I don't even know. I don't know what it could be. But I found out my tire machine's today, so that's cool. Hey, that's pretty cool. Maybe I can just go buy another tire machine. Wouldn't that be something? That'd be fucking great. Just go buying fucking tire machines willy-nilly. And then not even that, I fucking just waste a bunch of pickling time fucking dicking around with the tire. Can't even change, so that's cool.
Did you get one done at least?
No, couldn't even get one off the rim.
Oh, okay.
I got like, you know, the outside bead off, but it wouldn't even fucking remotely come close to fucking doing anything to the inside bead. And then I could hardly get the outside bead back on. That's fucking great. Now they want to put their spare tire on and stuff. You know it.
Put my bitch.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Suck a dick.
Just pick it up and say, suck a dick, and then hang up.
I'm tired of the drama. I always get brought into it.
Oh, drama?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah. 100% drama.
The bitch is drama.
Both of his bitches are drama.
Oh, dear.
His baby mama and his side bitch is both drama. His side bitch threatened to call the cops on him because we came up here to get tires changed.
Really?
Yep. Because you're the only one that answered to do it tonight. So I didn't have to wait.
And that one's
fucking
fucking
weeks.
pop. We want to go mudding tonight.
Bobby?
So that one's about to pop. We want to go mudding tonight. Dustin twist it and fuck it. I'm just gonna pull it.
Just pull that fucking thing right out of there. Zero fucks. Not engaging.
Huh?
Not engaging. Spinning for no reason. Oh, push it in. Oh, yeah. That's gonna fucking reek too. You want a toke? You don't do butt tokes?
You okay?
You don't do butt tokes?
I'm okay, bud.
Just fucking get on your back and fucking bench press that thing and tuck that fucking little nugget up in the middle and she'll drop right down on your head.
All she fucking called you for?
Yeah.
To say what?
To go grocery shopping. The bitch couldn't text you?
So she called you 17 times and just relentless to say, oh, can we go grocery shopping?
I mean, well, she never even comes grocery shopping. It's just me and him.
Yeah. Did you drag that tire out from under there? What's going on? Let's go. Here, grab me that tire quick.
Not done either.
Are you going to tell all your buddies how you spent 3 days putting the wrong end on, turning the thing for no reason? Nope. Why not? She doesn't care about going to get groceries. She's just keeping an eye on you. You're not answering the phone. She starts freaking out. Call. You answer. Oh, I just want to go get groceries.
She just turned the data off on him.
Nice.
That's why you always get your side
But I
bitches'
pay all the
numbers.
bills. I pay all the bills.
That's handy.
That's why you get all your side bitches' phone numbers.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
Oh, you're good. Didn't do fuck all, so.
Do you have any stickers at all or no?
Yeah. I'll go, they're in the house there. I'll grab them. You want to pull over by the dump truck there. Good Lord, it's downtown Inwood.